everything changes.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I just have to do a really quick update. I'm gonna jump over to my iPad and show you the news story, but if you haven't read already and you're a seller on Amazon, or even if you like to buy on Amazon, the NFL has reached out to Amazon to start restricting, good old word, gating sellers on Amazon who are not approved by the NFL to sell authentic NFL gear. Now, part of this is there is a lot of fake stuff that goes around, but also because products and brands, manufacturers and brands like Authentic NFL, MLB, Apple, Lego, they like to control the market on who sells their product. So only authorized sellers are selling it, and therefore they know that any of the products listed on Amazon are authentic and good from good sellers. So if you are a seller on Amazon that sells NFL merchandise, and there's some that is going to be allowed and some that isn't, it's going away on May 23rd, I believe. I'm going to take you over and show you the news story, and we'll see it all. If you're somebody who doesn't sell on Amazon, this doesn't mean much for you. If you're thinking about selling on Amazon, probably won't mean much for you because not a lot of us get access to cheap, authentic, real, brand new, or used NFL gear. So let's go over and check it out. I'll show you the news story, but just as an update, part of what I do here, tell you when platforms change. Amazon sellers are changing to where you can't sell authentic NFL gear unless you are approved by the NFL by reaching out to them and getting approval. What's cool is they're leaving a link as part of this where you can apply if you have some sales history to sell NFL gear and be approved. So with that being said, let's go over and check it out. Okay, so here's the email that was sent out from Amazon. This was back on March 24th. They've been sending it out to other people over the course of the last week. Important message regarding NFL products. Hello, Amazon is always working to enhance the customer experience, and one of the ways we do this is by increasing selection of the products we know customers want. As part of a new agreement with the NFL, we will be working with a group of NFL authorized sellers to offer an expanded selection of NFL products on Amazon. That's basically them quelling you. That's like a soothing message. You're receiving this message because you are currently selling or have previously sold NFL licensed apparel, headwear, fan gear, or hard goods on Amazon.com. Unless you become an authorized seller, your offers for those products will soon be removed from Amazon. This does not impact the following NFL product categories: video games, trading cards, books, medias, and sports collectibles. So those of you that sell those are good to go. Video games, big yes. So to prepare for this change, you may continue selling apparel, headwear, fan gear, or hard good products until May 23rd. If you would like to sell these products after this date, you must become an NFL authorized seller. The NFL is interested in approving qualified sellers with a history of top-tier customer service, experience selling on Amazon, and demonstrated support of the NFL business. If you're interested and believe you may qualify, you can connect with the NFL at marketplace.nfl.net. If you're not an NFL authorized seller, you will need to create a removal order for the remaining inventory of these product centers on May 24th, 2021. Amazon will reimburse you for the return or disposal fees through June 24th. Important, you will not be able to send shipments of these products to Amazon fulfillment centers effective April 24th, 2021. So hopefully that helps a lot of you sellers out, but they've provided a great link for you to go ahead and get approved. I don't know how hard or easy it will be to get approved, but if you previously sold NFL products and have a history, a good feedback and history, they'll probably approve you because I think they're going to rely on Amazon to do that approval process. If anybody has clicked it already and done it, please, I will put the link below if you need to do it, but if you have already done it and you have experience, please let us know in the comments section what happened. So I will leave that to you guys. Make sure you like this video so more people can see it and know what they got to do. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news and updates about this sort of stuff, especially on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and Posh. And until next time, guys, have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I will see you next time.